Is your Windows PC frozen and nothing seems to work? Don't panic. Here's a secret restart hack that every Windows user should know. And trust me, this can save you a lot of stress. So, let's get right into it. Normally, when your computer freezes, most people think of holding down the power button to force a shutdown, but that's not the safest way. Instead, try this simple trick. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Once you're on the blue screen, look at the bottom right corner. Click the power icon, then select Restart. This triggers what's called an emergency restart. What it does is instantly close everything without waiting for any frozen apps and forces your PC to reboot immediately. But here's something important to remember. It won't save your work. So, only use this when your computer is completely stuck and you can't do anything else. So, now you know a hidden Windows hack that can rescue you from those frustrating frozen moments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who always panics when their PC freezes. Thanks for watching.